Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete games from Steam account, and now let's dive right in. And now in order to delete your Steam games on this interface, after landing over here at the top left corner of the screen, you can see a bunch of icons or options available for us. We'll be required to click on the library option over here just beside this door at the top left where my mouse is hovering. Click on the library section at the top left, and all of your games which you have installed or downloaded on your Steam account will be over here. Now in order to delete a game, right click on the game which you want to delete on the interface, and when this menu appears, go over the manage and you will be able to find the uninstall button available for us. Click on the uninstall button and this kind of interface will appear. Again, click on the uninstall over here and that particular game will be deleted from your Steam account. And with that being said guys, this is how to delete games on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.